everyone! This is Denise Miriel and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, ayan, nandito ako ngayon sa sasakyan and I'm with...
What's up guys, back at it again with another vlog.
So today, we are gonna spend our anniversary in Tagaytay and it's currently December 14. So, ang anniversary po talaga namin is December 19. Pero, we decided to celebrate it today since mag-overnight kami sa Tagaytay. So, December 14 and 15 and we have some errands to do ng December 19 onwards. That's why, ngayon lang yung time namin na pwede kaming mag-spend ng 5th anniversary namin. So, konting backstory lang if follower ko na kayo years ago or like if friend ko kayo, family. Yung first anniversary po namin ilalagay ko dito sa link dyan sa taas. So, yan yung yung first anniversary namin which is vinlog ko din yun. And we spent it also sa Tagaytay din. And ayun, parang si Gab talaga yung nagplan nito, which is I'm happy naman dahil siya yung nagplan. You know, I'm always the planner in the family and ayun, nag-initiate siya na nagulat na lang ako, may booking na kami sa Tagaytay. And yung first anniversary namin guys, actually nag-lunch lang kami sa Tagaytay. Anniversary namin nung first year anniversary. Hindi naman kami nag-overnight nun dahil sobrang bagets pa kami nun. And also, nag-lunch lang talaga kami doon, lunch hanggang dinner, and then umuwi agad kami ng Manila. And then ngayon, si Gab, naisip niya na why not i-spend yung anniversary namin ng overnight, which is mag-staycation kami sa Crosswinds. Ito kami sa Petron, and then yan, bumili siya ng Burger King. Ito yung order ko for cheese whopper, and then yung kay Gab, ano yung sayo? Angry burger something. Angry bird. And then I ordered coffee. Tapos may mga dip na bago ngayon sa Burger King, which is the cheese dip and also the angry dip. And then merong fries at saka onion rings.
So we're at Crosswinds now. So we're not gonna pay anything na because we're booked here. That.
So ayun guys, we're here na. And yeah, magtitake na lang ako ng video nung mismong room namin. There's TV out there. And then, ayan. So, unfortunately, ni-request daw ni Gab na may view, but we got this unit, which is obviously sa likod to ng view. And then, ayan. Pero, all in all, maganda naman siya. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung CR. Let's go sa CR. Yeah, it's nice naman. They also have this one. Kami din magluto, tapos may mga exhaust yan. May mga cabinets, may mga utensils dun sila. Yeah, there. And then there's also a big cabinet here. What? It's so nice kasi pwede ata ang pets dito dahil mayroong pet bed. Unfortunately, di namin nadala yung mga pusa namin kasi kawawa sila. So, ayan. And merong table for 4. Tapos, meron silang design dito na I really like. I don't know anong tawag dito. Parang kapis ata. Yeah, it's so nice. There's free towels and free slippers, tapos toothbrush. Hello everyone! So we're gonna go out na to have pictures outside. And then, yeah. Kaya nagkulot lang ako. Pero sa harap lang yan, guys. And then, ayun, babalik ulit kami dito to get ready naman for our dinner date. So cold here. Hi guys! So, andito na kami sa parang windmill ba to? Actually, don't know kung saan kami magpipictorial. This is all Villar, guys. Yan ang fit ni Gab, guys. With a hint of red.
Old Mooney.
Nakikita nyo, it's against the light. Ayan. Ito lang siya, guys. Yan lang. It's just the view. Hello guys, we're back. So, dito tong video na to because
We have a confession to
baliw. We're gonna give our gifts to each other. So, yung first main gift ko talaga kay Gab, guys, is nasa Canada pa talaga siya. Cause na-late siya ng pa-deliver. Kasi pinasuyo ko lang siya sa ate ko sa Canada. That's why, hindi ko talaga mapapakita ngayon. Pero, papakita ko na lang yung screenshot dito. So, yun, yung gift ko sa kanya is dalawang polo shirt from Ralph Lauren na, yun nga, galing sa Canada. And, siya, alam naman na ni Gab yun na gift ko sa kanya yun kasi siya rin yung pumili ng color.
check po.
Yeah.
Ako yung nagsabi ng
Yeah, so actually siya talaga yung kasi kaya naisip ko yung gift na yun sa kanya is because I know he also needs it kasi yun nga, since nag-work na siya, mas kailangan niya ng mga ganong kinds ng damit.
Kailangan mo ng Ralph Lauren para pumasok sa trabaho.
Hindi kailangan ng ganun, guys. Huwag niyong gayain si Gab. Talagang nasanay lang talaga siya na ganun yung mga damit niya palagi. Kaya, ayun, sinusunod ko lang din kung ano yung alam kong magpapasaya sa kanya.
Uniqlo lang damit ko.
Lang. Hindi nyo na rin maaabutan na ibibigay ko sa kanya yung present sa kanya na galing Canada kasi nga ang dating nun is probably mga Christmas time na and 14 pa lang ngayon. Yung second gift ko naman kay Gab, guys, is actually wag niyo akong i-judge kung ito lang yung makikita niyong regalo dahil nga binigay ko na rin naman yung reason ko kung bakit hindi ko nabigay yung Ralph Lauren dahil nga galing siyang ibang bansa at hindi naman dito sa Philippines ko binigay yung gift sa kanya or binili. So, ayan, close your eyes. Sobrang plain lang neto. Talagang naisip ko lang talaga siya. Gano'n naman talaga pag gifts, diba? So, ayan siya. Di ko na rin binalot, guys.
Wow, what's this?
Ayan.
May una na ako sa work. Oh, wow! It's a pill bag.
Puffer bag.
Puffer bag. It's a puffer bag. Thank you, babe.
Yun kasi, guys, ang reason kasi kung bakit binilan ko siya ng ganyan kasi sa totoo lang wala talaga siyang work bag, guys.
Akala ko wala siyang work.
Actually, he's been using my bag na binigay lang sa akin ng friend ko. Naisip ko na bigyan na lang siya ng ganyan para naman maganda na yung bag niya and also he can put all his labubus here.
Yeah.
At masabit ko na yung labubu
My
niya.
upcoming labubus from Lazada. So Lazada, thank you for giving us lots.
Feeling talaga. So, diretso na tayo sa regalo ni Gab sa akin.
What? May regalo pa ako. So, shout out to Lazada for giving me resources so I can, give. Basta shout out sa Lazada, para nagbigay sila ng bonus sa akin. So, this is my gift sa kanya. It's actually 2. Siya naman namili nito. Alam niya namang kung ano yung laman nito.
Pinili ko to kahapon. Sinamahan pa ako ng papa ko yesterday to buy this. And, ayun. So, ito na guys. This is my first ever Dior makeup. Kasi meron na akong Miss Dior na perfume from way back 2019 pa. Tapos ito yung first ever makeup ko, guys. Alam nyo, never pa talaga akong nagkakaroon ng luxury makeup, I guess. So, ayan. Actually, bibili ako ng ibang products na lang sana na worth, kung ano man worth neto. Tapos madami. Like from department store, ganyan. Tapos marami na para isang buong malaking regalo, ganyan. Pero kasi sabi ni Gab, kung ganyang presyo na lang din naman yung bibilin mo, bakit hindi pa ito? Actually, hindi talaga ito. Second option ko lang to. And my first option was YSL kasi ito, gusto niya YSL yung bilin ko. Siya yung nagsabi, I didn't even know na merong lipstick from YSL. Alam ko, Dior lang talaga. And Chanel, ganyan. So, ayan. Binili ko to sa SM Makati yesterday. And yeah, tignan natin yung una nating madadampot. So, ayan. Ang tagal ko na talaga itong nakikita sa TikTok, guys. And this, the Dior Addict Lip Maximizer. Ayan. Ewan ko kung nakikita nila. Tapos, ang shade nito ay 037 Intense Rose. Actually, ang dami kong tinesting. And, ito yung nag-match sa skin tone ko. Gusto ko kasi yung lip gloss or maximizer na nag-show up talaga. So, ayan. Ang ganda. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, guys. This retails for 2,550. So, ito naman yung next. Is dalawang lipstick talaga yung binigay ni Gab sa akin. And this is the Dior Rouge Dior Forever Liquid.
Tanga, rogue yan.
Rouge yan. Rouge yan! Rouge yan!
Rogue yan, never naging nakakahiya ka.
Rouge yan!
Sinabi mo sa sales
TikTok.
lady.
Rouge!
Rogue yan.
Search mo, Dior Rouge.
Rogue nga. So, how to pronounce your...
Basahin mo nga.
Rouge.
Ha? Rogue to eh.
Bobo po ako eh.
Ganto si Gab.
Sorry, di ko yan masasagot.
So, bago na, napatunayan na ng Google. Ito siya, guys. Let's open it. Tiyanan. It's in holiday, it's in the holiday packaging. May gold siya. Yes. So, this is 3,000. Sa Samira po.
Samira po?
Apo.
Under what name po?
Gabsar Pamones or
Pamones.
Denise Aquino.
Dalawang lang po kayo ma'am.
Apa. Thank you po.
Anyare.
Saan po tayo?
Sa Samira po.
Fiesta ata dito. Mira ba? Christmas party.
It's an event.
By the way, folks, we welcome to sa Ribeye Shop Chele Gonzales. And also, Miss Mika will assist you for today.
So, here's our tasting menu for tonight.
For your events, this one is the mushroom truffle croquetas. It's a vegetable base with mushroom and truffle essence. This one is the salmon pinchos. It's a smoked salmon and asparagus. Tapos the dill cream cheese toast. And this one is the grilled Iberico pork satay skewer with peanut, coconut pudding, topped with onion leeks and satay sauce. Thank you!
So, this is the mushroom truffle croquetas. Croquettes? Croquetas? I don't know. The smoked salmon pintos. And the grilled Iberico fucking satay. The sauce. So, let's eat.
Let's get 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's so solid.
Nakalay mo yung halo.
So, yung laman niya is truffle and mushroom. And super lasa mo yung mushroom. And hindi, yung truffle talaga yung solid. I've eaten a lot of croquetas, but this is really solid kasi usually croquetas have
and my
cheese lang and giniling. But this one is just so grabe. So it tastes so premium because of the truffle.
Cheers. It's nice, guys.
paano mag wine tasting. Brilliant. Swirl.
Kaya let's eat now.
Oh, she got the nut. And that's good. there you go. Some salad. We got the paella. Another steak right there. This is so solid. Hi guys. So pansin nyo, lumipat kami kasi nagkaroon ng fireworks sa labas. And so this is the dessert. What's the dessert?
From Anya family. For it's made with with chocolate mousse.
So, ayun guys, here's our bill. So, it is 7,196 because we ordered 2 tasting menus for each one. So, 5,990 and then 250 for the draft beer, and then ripe mango shake is 370, and then there's service charge. So yun guys, we are done na. Ito si Cloud Chaser, pinipicturan yung resibo kahit card ko naman yung pinambayad. What will you say to me, bro?
Thank you.
What?
Thank you, baby.
So guys, this is my treat kasi we've been doing great this past few months, and yeah, it's our 5th year.
Treat ko yung hotel na.
Yeah, it's his treat.
Iniisip nyo. Wala
And
akong
also
ginagawa.
guys, driver kasi siya ng pamilya ko, like for 4 months, 3 months. For 3 months. So ayan, thank you ko rin sa kanya yan. How was the food?
I'm full.
Yeah, same. That's why pina-take out na lang namin yung yung complimentary anniversary cake nila is pina-take out na lang namin kasi we are so full. Like, sobra. Are you happy?
I'm happy kung hindi masakit sa bulsa.
I'm happy and satisfied, and it doesn't matter naman to me the price. It's the person who you are with, and syempre it's our 5th anniversary nga, and yun nga yung parang na story ko kanina is we were here last 1st anniversary and we ate sa Kuuma Kaao for parang breakfast, you know, for breakfast, and then nag-bag of beans Athena kami. Pero ganito kasi kami, like hindi naman sa pinapressure namin yung sarili namin to eat those kind of things or to eat in these kinds of restaurants. Pero parang ewan ko, parang it's like a reward for us na rin for completing
For staying.
for staying with each
one
other.
day long.
Pero sa ibang tao na mayaman, maliit pa to. Pero for us, pinaghirapan namin to, and we deserve it. That's why, dahil nga kumakain kami sa mga gantong lugar, pumupunta kami sa mga bagay na kahit di naman namin kaya. Minsan kasi yung mga ganun, very very fulfilling to know na alam mong next year mas gagalingan mo kasi nagawa mo na to eh. It kind of motivates us to do better each year, not just kaming magjowa lang, pero sa trabaho din namin mas gagalingan pa, Tapos mag-iipon pa, ganyan. Pero yun nga, it's December. It's the season of giving and celebrating, right? That's why sinagot kita ng December eh. Yeah.